Windows Taskbar Tips and Tricks. Some secrets of Windows Taskbar: how to press a start button from your program. Procedure T Form 1. Press start. Sender, TObject, var hTaskbar, hButton, HWND, hDCScreen, HDC, ScreenHeight, DWORD. Begin / find start button hDCScreen equals GetDC 0. ScreenHeight equals GetDeviceCaps. hDCScreen VERTRES. ReleaseDC 0. hDCScreen. hTaskbar equals FindWindow. Shell_trained. nil. hButton equals GetWindow. hTaskbar. GW_child. / press start button SendMessage. hButton. WM_button down MK_button LOWORD. 5. Plus. HIWORD. ScreenHeight 20. / hide start button ShowWindow. hButton. SW_hide. Sleep. 2000. / show start button ShowWindow. hButton. SW_normal. And how to hide and show Windows Taskbar. Procedure T Form 1. Hide Taskbar. Sender, TObject, var HWND. Begin H equals FindWindow. Shell_trained. nil. ShowWindow. H. SW_hide. Sleep. 2000. ShowWindow. H. SW_show. And how to hide an application button from Windows Taskbar. Procedure T Form 1. Hide button. Sender, TObject. Begin ShowWindow. Application.handle SW_hide. And procedure T Form 1. Show button. Sender, TObject. Begin ShowWindow. Application.handle SW_show. And the same example, but using Windows API, var m_HWND, HWND, hmain, HWND. Procedure T Form 1. Create window. Sender, TObject. Begin m_HWND equals create window x 0. Static. WS_popup. 0, 0, 1600, 1200. 0, 0, 0, nil. hmain equals create window x 0. Static. Main window. WS_popup plus WS_visible. 40, 50, 200, 300 m_HWND. 0, 0, nil. And procedure T Form 1. Hide window. Sender, TObject. Begin / hide button show window, hmain sw_hide, and procedure tform1.showWindow, sender, TObject, begin / show button show window, hmain sw_show, and